Welcome back to the Network Essentials series. Today, let's talk about the two members of TCP/IP family protocols, TCP and UDP. Both TCP and UDP are transport layer protocols responsible for managing bidirectional data transmission between devices on a network, with TCP emphasizing reliability and UDP prioritizing speed. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol, which is a communication standard that enables application programs and computing devices to exchange messages over a network. TCP is a slower communication protocol than UDP, but also a more reliable one due to features such as sequencing, flow control, and error checking. Since every received packet of information is confirmed by the server, it makes it practically impossible for information to go missing. You might have seen this example in instant messaging apps like WhatsApp or Messenger. Any discrepancy in texting between a sender and a receiver isn't tolerated. Hence, the TCP protocol is used in text communication to receive full piece of information without any part missing. For instance, a sender device gives the first packet of information to a server. When the server receives it, it provides a confirmation of that packet's reception to the sender. When the sender receives the confirmation from the server, it sends the second packet of information. It goes on and on until all packets of information are delivered successfully. Now let's say there was a network error, and the second packet traveling from the sender wasn't delivered to the server. In this case, the server still sends the response saying that it only received and acknowledged the first packet. The device understands that it failed to send the second packet and resends it. It's important to note that TCP doesn't always send the parts chronologically. It can be mixed up, but the receiver reassembles the given data in correct order. Now let's move on and talk about UDP. It stands for User Datagram Protocol, which is a communication protocol for time-sensitive tasks like online gaming, media streaming, or performing security camera lookups. UDP results in a speedier communication because it doesn't spend time forming a firm connection with the server before transferring the data. A good example of how the UDP protocol works is online video games. Since high latency isn't welcome in online gaming, UDP is the preferred protocol for data transmission to the server. UDP doesn't retransmit the lost data and is a connectionless protocol, making data packets travel much faster. So UDP simply sends data to the server without waiting for acknowledgement. Essentially, TCP is a more reliable communication protocol as it works closely with the server, despite being slower. In contrast, UDP continuously sends data to the server, resulting in faster data transmission, but a slightly less reliable one. Thanks for watching! If you'd like to learn more interesting topics, don't forget to click subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.